What's up everyone, Angel the Google Pixel guy here, and it's that time of year again. The November update for Google Pixel devices is officially rolling out now. We've got some crazy new AI editing features in Google Photos, AI summaries for your noisy group chats, new security features, and even a theme pack from Wicked. So today I'm going to break down every single new feature and also tell you exactly which Pixel you need to have in order to get it. So let's get into it. One of the features I'm most excited about is AI summaries coming to group chats. I'm a part of several group chats and I'm also always just super busy. So sometimes when a group chat is blowing up, I don't have time to sit and read every single message. So Google is now introducing a feature where in your notification shade, you'll be able to get an AI summary of the conversation that has gone on so that you can hopefully get sort of a high level gist of what the group talked about without having to necessarily go back and read every single text message. This update is only for Pixel 9 devices and up, so sorry if you have a Pixel 8 or lower. The second coolest feature that's actually pretty impressive is the ability to remove sunglasses, to fix a smile, and more with personalized edits in Google Photos. And the Photos app will fix the image by using other pictures in your gallery that you've labeled and organized in your face groups to ensure a personalized and natural look. You can make other fixes too, like asking Photos to remove your mom's hat or changing a smirk into a smile. Eligible Android users in the US can try asking Photos to apply these edits. Google says this feature isn't available in all regions at this time. Currently, Ask Photos is rolling out to a select number of countries and regions and is available in several languages, with plans to continue expanding, Google says. To use Ask Photos, you must meet these Gemini features in Photos requirements. You must be 18 years or older, be an eligible user in a launched location, have face groups turned on, and have selected which face is yours, and you must also have location estimates enabled. Other features worth mentioning, Google's also bringing photo editing to the Google Messages app, so now whenever you receive a message within Google Messages, you can tap on it and then tap Remix, and you can ask for any edits or sort of reimagining of that image that you would like. There are a couple pre-selected prompts that you can choose from, but you can also type whatever you would like if you have a certain vision for any edits that you would like applied to that image. I tried it out last night, it worked pretty well. I don't know that that's a feature I'm necessarily going to be using a whole lot, but it is cool that the feature is available and can add a little bit more fun to your group chats. The next significant update is an update to Magic Queue. So Magic Queue will now be able to deliver more helpful suggestions powered by their new privacy technology, private AI compute in the cloud. With private AI compute, Google says Magic Queue can deliver more timely suggestions, all while ensuring your data is always kept protected and private to you. Private AI compute in the cloud is only available on Pixel 10 and newer devices, and availability may vary by country and language. Another cool feature for your Messages app is scam detection for chat messages. With this feature enabled, this new feature automatically checks notifications of chat messages across many popular apps for potential scams. It shows a scam likely alert on notifications of messages that seem suspicious, giving you an early warning to help you avoid fraud. This feature is rolling out to Pixel 7 and newer devices. Otherwise, other features Google is including in this update include an update to Pixel VIPs. This lets you prioritize notifications from your most important people and even shows crisis badges on the contacts widgets for critical alerts. Power saving mode in Google Maps. When you're driving, you can hit the power button for a simplified layout showing only key information like your next turn. Google claims that this can extend your battery life up to 4 hours on a single trip. Again, this is only for the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and 10 Pro Fold. Finally, a bunch of existing apps and features are expanding to more devices and regions. The Device Health and Supported Hub is now on Pixel 6 through Pixel 9 phones. It's your one-stop shop for understanding your phone's health with built-in tests to verify performance, and where you can also get help from Pixel support agents if needed. The Pixel Journal app is coming to Pixel 8 and 9 phones, and this lets you conveniently document thoughts, track moods, and add memories with photos, videos, and activity data, all privately on your device. The Magnifier app is now available on the Pixel Fold, letting you use the large unfolded screen to quickly search for and find text in the real world using your voice or keyboard. Scam detection on phone calls is now available for Pixel 9 users in the UK, Ireland, India, Australia, and Canada. And this is a feature that uses AI to detect and warn you of speech patterns commonly used by scammers on phone calls. Call Notes is also expanding to Pixel 9 users in Australia, Canada, the UK, Ireland, and India. And this is a feature that records, transcribes, and summarizes your calls, all using AI. Call Notes uses Gemini Nano on device to record your calls, take notes, generate a transcript and summary, and provide next steps based on your conversation, making information easily retrievable and actionable. Users in Japan can now also record their conversations and generate a full transcript of the discussion with Call Notes. The transcript is saved directly in their call log, giving them a complete record they can review at any time. The My Pixel app is now available to use in Canada, France, Germany, India, Italy, and Spain. If you're unfamiliar, the My Pixel app is your one-stop shop for learning about new features, troubleshooting, getting support, and shopping for the latest Pixel devices and accessories. And lastly, the Recorder app summarization feature expands to new languages on the Pixel 9 phones to include Hindi, Italian, and traditional Chinese, and the Pixel 8 phones expanding to English, Japanese, German, French, Hindi, Italian, and traditional Chinese. Two other small updates: Google is including a new sound collection, and this collection adds 6 deeply immersive ringtones, alarms, and notifications to your Sound Matters library, turning disruptive alerts into gentle reminders and a calming moment of connection with nature. It's your new personal retreat to the majestic forests of northern Japan. And finally, you can personalize your Pixel in a single tap with new seasonal theme packs. Google created a new theme pack around the Wicked for Good theme, and these theme packs feature 3 distinct styles to choose from: For Good, Glinda, and Alphaba. Each pack transforms your wallpaper, icons, and sound systems and GIFs for a completely new look that's deeply integrated and uniquely yours. Man, that was a ton of stuff, but how do you get this update? As always, this is a phased rollout, so if you don't see the update available for your device today, it could take up to a couple days or even a few weeks depending on your device and your carrier. To check if the update is available for you, go to your settings, scroll down to System, and then Software Updates, System Update, check for update, and install. So what's the verdict? This is a really strong Pixel drop from Google, especially if you have a Pixel 9 or 10 device. The Google Photos editing update is pure magic. The chat summaries are definitely going to be a game changer for me, but I want to know what you think. What feature are you most excited about? And what feature do you wish was coming to your Pixel? Drop a comment down below. That's it for me, Angel the Google Pixel Guy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more Pixel news, tips and tricks, reviews, and more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.